In today's video, I'm going to teach you add contractors in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can start tracking contractor payments and be ready for 1099s at year end. First, open QuickBooks Online in your browser and sign in to your company. From the main dashboard, look at the left-hand navigation. You're heading to Payroll because QuickBooks organizes contractors alongside payroll tools. Click Payroll. If your screen opens to employees by default, that's okay. Just look for the Contractors option within the Payroll section. Now go to Contractors. This view is designed specifically for independent contractors you pay for services. It keeps their info organized and makes payment tracking and reporting straightforward. If your company uses multiple QuickBooks users, make sure you have the right permissions to manage payroll and contractors. If you don't see the Contractors option, check with your admin or verify that your subscription includes the payroll features. Next, click Add a Contractor. You'll usually find this as a prominent button on the Contractors page. This starts the setup process and creates a dedicated profile for the contractor in your books. Taking a moment to confirm you're on the right page helps you avoid adding an employee or vendor by mistake. When the add form opens, type the contractor's full name and their email address. Use the name they use for business and an email you know they can access, since this is how they'll receive any invitations or notifications. Double-check spelling here. Correct details, prevent duplicates, and ensure everything syncs properly with payments and reports. If you're moving quickly, it's worth pausing to verify the email before you continue. Once the name and email are filled in, click Add Contractor. QuickBooks will create the profile immediately. Depending on your settings, the system may send an invitation to the contractor to securely provide additional details on their end, which helps keep sensitive information out of your inbox. You can return to the contractors list to confirm they appear, and you can use the list's search and sort tools to find them easily later. That's it. You opened QuickBooks Online, went to Payroll, navigated to Contractors, clicked Add a Contractor, and entered the contractor's name and email before confirming. Keep this flow in mind whenever you need to add more contractors. Staying consistent with names and emails will make your payment history clean, your reports accurate, and your year-end filings much smoother. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to follow along step by step.